Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install the Advantage Torza Top Premier on this 2016 Toyota Tacoma with a 5-foot bed. Let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that we're going to do is put together our clamp assembly. Now you're going to have a block with 2 threaded holes. That's going to go inside your track system. And then you're also going to have a U-shaped clamp that's going to have some sets of holes on it. So what we're going to do for our cab side clamp, we're going to use the top set of 2 holes. We're going to set that over our block with our clamp part facing towards us. We're going to use an Allen head bolt and washer, and we're going to thread that in there. I'm just going to do a couple threads. We won't thread it all the way down just yet. And we'll do that same thing on one more clamp. Now on our back set of clamps, our clamps that are going to be closest to our tailgate, we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to use the bottom set of holes. And again, we're going to do this on both of our tailgate clamps. Now we're on our passenger side track, and if you have your tie-down cleats in, we're going to need to remove those. If you don't know how to do that, you just turn the knob until it's loose, push it in, and twist, and you can pull them right out. Then we're going to take our end cap piece off. We're going to take our clamp assembly with our bolts through the top 2 holes. We're going to put that one in first. Should just be able to slide that in. We're going to slide that one all the way towards the cab. And then we're going to take our other clamp with our bolts through our bottom 2 holes and put that one in next. And we're just going to leave that one towards the tailgate. And then we can go ahead and put our end cap back on. Next, we're going to take our cover and set that into place. It should come clipped in. The clip should be facing up. Those are going to be closest to the cab side of the truck. There's also going to be a seal right there that you want to make sure lands on top of your bulkhead. And then you just want to make sure that it's spaced evenly side to side. And we're going to unclip it, and then we're going to fold it to the back. Again, make sure everything is aligned properly, side to side. Once you have it where you want it, you're going to carefully fold it back forward. And then we're going to go underneath and check the alignment of the clamp on the cover and align it to the clamp that we assembled into our rail. Now we're underneath the cover on our driver's side rail, and we have our cab side bracket right here. And we're going to align that with our bracket on our cover, and then we're going to use our provided Allen head wrench and tighten it down. Now you don't have to go too tight on these, just snug it up so that that clamp doesn't move anywhere. Now make sure as you're tightening this clamp up, you push it up as far as it'll go, and that'll give you enough clearance so when you rotate your clamp on your cover down, you'll be able to get it into position, and then you're just going to twist your knob until you tighten it down. Now before you tighten this side all the way down, you want to go ahead and repeat that on the opposite side, and then you're going to tighten both sides just so that the seal on the outside is compressed about halfway. Next, we're going to line up our tailgate rail clamp with the clamp on our cover. It's going to be right about the edge of our rail. Then we're going to go ahead and flip the cover up, and we're going to tighten this down. Again, we don't have to go super tight with these. We just want to make sure that these clamps don't move. We're going to tighten both sides down. And then once we do that, you can flip your cover back over, pull your clamp down from the storage position, and then lock it into place. Once you lock it, you can see that there's a little bit of wiggle right there. That means this needs to be tighter. We're going to give it a couple rotations. Try it again. Now there's a lot less wiggle. And again, you want to make sure that you're just compressing that seal on the outside about halfway. We're going to do that on both sides. Lastly, we're going to reinstall our tie-down cleats. You're just going to push the wedge back in, push it in, turn it, and then you can twist it to lock it into place. And again, you can put these wherever you want. And then you're going to do that on both sides. All right, guys, that completes the installation. If you have any questions, give us a call or visit us online.